Hello, Agent Blazers. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. Today, I'm excited to demo an HR agent built with Agentforce for a fictional company called Visiting Nurse Company. Onboarding can be overwhelming, and this company wanted to speed up the process to help their new hires become productive faster. Using Agentforce, they created a HR agent to answer policy, vacation, and onboarding questions for new hires. So let's dive in and see this in action. I'm Jane Nurse, and I'm interested in finding out what the company policy is for voting. So I'm going to engage with our HR agent to ask the question: how do I take time off to vote? So the agent is analyzing my request and determining next steps and then coming back with an answer. So it came back to let me know that I can vote before or after work and I might need to take PTO time to vote. Now, I don't remember how many vacation days I actually have, so let me check on that. How many vacation days do I have? So the agent's analyzing my request, and then it doesn't have enough information, so it needs my employee ID to find out how many vacation days I have. So I'm going to give that information. And now again, the agent is analyzing the request and determining what to do. Now it came back and said I have 17 days available, which matches what's on my record. Great. So I want to find out information on the FMLL policy. So I'm going to ask the question, what is your FMLL policy? Now here, it doesn't have enough to give me, so it's going to ask me to connect to an HR specialist who can then provide me more information. Now, I'm not going to want to engage an HR specialist at this point, but I just want to know what are my next steps in terms of onboarding. So I'm going to ask, what are my onboarding steps? And I'm employee 000. So it's analyzing my request and figuring out the next steps. And then it came back and indicated, here are the onboarding steps for week 1. And it welcomed Jane to the Visiting Nurse Association. So I recognized the name, and the steps are what is shown in the onboarding steps for Jane Nurse. Now, I don't have time to show you everything that was built, but I want to point out 2 cool things. Now we're going in Agent Builder, and for the prompt where it asked about getting time off to vote, what the agent did behind the scenes was it selected the topic HR Employee Service Assistant, and then it invoked the standard action answer questions with knowledge. Now here in the knowledge section for my topic, I uploaded various pieces of information, and it searched those PDF files to then come up with the answer. So one of my other prompts, I asked how many vacation days do I have, and I provided the employee ID, and it returned the number of days. So what it did here was it selected that same topic, HR Employee Service Assistant, but this time it invoked a custom flow action. And here I passed in the employee ID, and it returned the vacation days. So here it invoked an auto launch flow, and it gathered information using that ID to get the vacation days, and then it set the vacation days to a variable that was available for my agent. And that's a demo. Congrats to Team Tech Muses for creating this demo at the Hackathon NYC event.